now we move towards Mahajanapadas. 16 Mahajanapadas were there. These all are found in Buddhist Anguttara Nikaya and Jainism Bhagavati formulas. Okay, and the major Mahajanapadas were, and their capital contains Anga's capital Champa, East Bihar, Magadha, Rajagruha, South Bihar, and Kosala's Ayodhya capital Kosala, Sravasti, Banaras, Kuru, Indraprastha, Delhi, Meerut and Tansera, Vajji, Vaishali, North Bihar, Chedi, Suktamati, Yamuna and Narmada rivers, and Chedi, Suktamati, Vatsya, Kosami, Jaipur, Asmika, Potali, Godavari, Kamboja, Rajapura, Southwest Kashmir, and Matsya, Viratanagar, Allahabad. Matsya, Viratanagar, Allahabad. Bilhana's Vikramanka Devacharita and their literature. Chandbarda is Prithviraj Raso, Sandhyakar Nadhi, Rama Charitra, Hemachandra's Kumara Pala Charita. Okay. Kalinga's King Kharavela's inscription, which refers about Jainan relation. Kalinga's King's Kharavela's inscription, which refers to about Jainan relation. 1,000 Pillars Basidi in Mudbidre, Jaina Kashi, we call it as Jaina Kashi. Second Jain Council was held in Gujarat, Vallabhi, in the presence of Devaradri Kashma Sharmana in 1512 AD. And first Jainese council was held in the presence of Stulabhadra at Pataliputra, right? He wrote about Bhadra Bhahu. He was the spiritual leader of Chandragupta Maurya and leader of Digambara sect of 24th Jainas Mahavira, and its book, his book was Kalpa Sutra. Bhadra Bhahu, okay. Council of Jain, Pataliputra, Stulabhadra, okay. Central budget of India is decreasing order. Central budget's its revenue and expenditure is related to the most of the first comes revenue receipts are the most taxes government was take, and the second is second most is that revenue expenditure, and third is capital expenditure, and fourth is capital receipts. Okay. About economics, cost inflation effects on highly increases unemployment, and consumers cuts down their expenditure. At then costful inflation, they don't have at then costful inflation. Okay. Venkatappa Nayaka, Karnataka's history. About Karnataka's history, we will cover in next video. Okay.